Welcome to the Thomas and Friends DVD experience.
Welcome to the island of Sodor. I'm Sir Topham Hatt, and I hope your journey here was a pleasant one. We have so much planned for you today, and the engines can't wait to take you on the adventures of Thomas and the Jet Engine. Make sure you visit all the story stops and the extra features, including 3 fun-filled games, Thomas's Character Cube, the Thomas Gallery, a sing-along song, and web fun.
Hi, I'm Thomas. Hop on board and jet right into all of the exciting adventures that Thomas and the Jet Engine has to offer. Hi, I'm Percy, and if you come with me, I'll take you directly to your favorite Thomas and the Jet Engine episode. Ahoy, matey. I'm Salty, and I love to sing while I'm hard at work down by the seaside. Join in singing along with me to an all-new Thomas and Friends sing-along song. Boo Boo Choo Choo.
Hi, I'm James. Hop on my splendid engine and explore some of the Thomas and Friends products that you can find in stores. There are books, videos, DVDs, wooden trains, and more. Hi, I'm Harold, and there are a lot of fun things to do on the island. Click on my banner and I'll fly down and take you on many exciting adventures. You can play Memory Madness, Counting Corner, or What Came First, and visit Thomas's Character Cube and Web Fun.
Thomas and the Jet Engine features 6 different stories for you to enjoy. Select a story by using the left or right arrow buttons on your controller. Press the Enter button when you want to view the adventure. Thomas and his friends love to listen to music while they're being very useful on the island. You can listen to a very special song by pressing Enter to view your selection, and be sure to sing along.
Welcome to the Thomas and Friends Gallery, featuring fun and exciting Thomas products and events. Just click on either video, DVD, books, wooden railway, or Day Out with Thomas to find out about these items. Have fun!
Welcome. We're glad you decided to stop here on your journey of the island. Harold is here to take you to fun and games with your other Sodor friends. There are several activities for you to choose from, including the Memory Madness game, Counting Corner, What Came First, Thomas's Character Cube, and Web Fun. Use the up and down direction buttons on your controller to choose an activity and press Enter to begin. Have fun!
Welcome to the Thomas and Friends Character Cube. This is your chance to get to know your island friends and even learn fun facts about each of them. You can either sit back and read along as the character cubes rotate to the next character, or if you're in a hurry to see a favorite Sodor friend, you can click on the next button that appears on the screen. If you would like to go back a cube, click on the back button that appears on the screen. Have fun!
If you'd like to visit the official Thomas and Friends website, Please insert this DVD into your personal computer DVD-ROM drive. You may need a grown-up to help you. ThomasTheTankEngine.com is loaded with exciting features and news about all of your Island of Sodor friends. There are lots of activities and fun games to play. You can also find out about Thomas events and visit my office. Have fun.